I feel like my soul has left my body.
I think it has. All right, guys, we're super excited because we have Nerf bullet grip tape.
Darts.
Blue and white Braille
Target
skateboarding
exclusive.
color.
You'd think Target exclusive would be red.
That's right, true. Good point. All right, kickflip off.
Soft on the teeth.
I guess Fetty goes first, and then we go second and third.
Needle beats paper.
Ew. Did you just rub Vegemite on me? Mm-hmm. All right, kickflip off, let's go.
You broke it!
Aaron! I told Daniel they weren't on there good enough.
Oh, that's hard. Fetty, go for it.
All right, first try. Whoa! First try! Yeah, boy.
All you guys are doing is giving Fetty.
Give me that gun, Fetty.
No.
You're the guy.
I'm faster than you.
You land a kick real quick, okay? They've been giving me grief about not popping my trays, so I'm gonna do one to just full send. Pop! I told you I could pop a tray. I told you I could pop a tray. Now leave me alone. I'm going home.
Aaron, do a tray flip.
Yeah.
You started with Legos and then you ended on soft, cushiony darts.
It's been a long day.
Yeah, we both did first try.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Even Fetty?
Yeah.
No, he didn't.
You did.
I straight up thought, like I saw Troy like this with his camera, and I thought it was Fetty with a gun like this.
All right.
Ow!
Oh! Oh!
Ow! It really hurts, kid.
Saved my life right there.
All right, Aussie Dan, it's up to you to do a single heel flip on the Nerf bullet grip tape, Target exclusive.
Oh! Built it!
Is that what the people want, Gabe?
Yeah, that's exactly.
They want throwing hammers?
Yeah, hammers, bro.
All right, Carlos, you got a hammer.
Where's the kickflip?
I'm gonna make sure how this rides, man. I'm not going straight for death.
I'm just giving you a hard time, Carlos.
You give me an easy time. Love you, man.
Here. I will build your house. That's a screw, it's not a nail.
Well, I mean, you can still hammer it in. There you go.
Braille House 2019 rebuild, let's go. How in the world did he land that?
I don't know.
Everything about that was wrong. And
Flip, quick tail stall to brand new combo to hammer.
I don't know.
right in the denga. Denga!
Oh!
Go.
Betty, stop!
Okay.
Can you go tackle him?
Yeah, no. He's injured and his ear hurts.
That's what he gets.
37 darts fell off on that frontside 180.
Also, your glue job is just...
And he blames it on the glue. Hey, I didn't make the glue. Okay, okay. The other day, I shot a bullet and it was Nerf.
Great, man.
I have a Nerf of your attitude, bro.
I could have told him that was coming, but I think he would have had a Nerf of my attitude. Yeah?
Freaking great.
Yeah.
You got some Nerf saying that.
Oh!
Got him!
Man, that fall must have hurt like a dart.
That fall must have really taken him to the Nerf.
I don't know what that means, and I don't know if I want
It's
to.
foam. It's foamies for life. Homies, foamies.
Man, he was really on Target exclusive with that one.
Wow, only at Target.
Dude, it really says only at Target on the box. Nothing gets me more fired up than a box that says only at Target. If Carlos came in a box that said only at Target, I would, never mind.
I think Carlos is at Walmart.
All right, Fetty, why don't you skate the 5 when people are shooting you in the face?
No slug.
Give me that gun, fool.
Just hit him in the ear! Give me the gun! You didn't hit me.
That was brutal.
go down the stairs
Oh,
on the
yes.
dartboard? You didn't see that.
Wow.
It took off like 5 darts. Oh, yeah.
You don't have to correct me every time, dude. Just go with the flow sometimes, Gabe. You know, be
Hey,
spontaneous.
hey, Carlos, get forked.
You gotta wipe them off. Because then it'll get stuck in the barrel.
And I shot him right in the danga.
I already got hit in the eye once by a kid's toy today.
How sick was that though, right? Target exclusive.
Getting hit with a Target exclusive Nerf dart feels way better than a regular one. Best one you've ever done. That was fantastic.
Getting Bert, I'm working on him.
He landed that darts. Not bullets, darts.
Got it.
What?
I think we all hit him too. Blocked it.
I did tray flip, no, kick flip, tray flip would be sick, dude.
There are ginormous screws sticking out right there.
I don't think about that when I skate.
There's a what? Maybe we should push it over.
There is a Nerf war going on.
Huh?
There's a Nerf war.
Where? Something's wrong with this child.
Gap over the whole thing.
Is that the best one he's ever done?
What's going on with him today? All right, Fetty, do a kickflip. How can we be sponsored by Target? You going over it?
Girl is on fire!
No.
Oh,
Fetty's doing a backside 180.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, he's not.
Guaranteed.
Fetty, no. Bad boy.
And
A
then-
big 3.
Look.
1, 2, 3. Done.
And then Fetty's gonna land this, and then Carlos is gonna get his back and kickflip it first try, guaranteed. You want to take bets on this occurring? Jamba Juice.
Okay.
Right
So
here.
Fetty has to land it right here, backside 180, and then Carlos right afterwards is on the kickflip. But you're not gonna tell Carlos.
Wait.
You
See?
owe me a Jamba Juice.
Okay, well, it is gonna happen though.
I'll take a large Jamba Juice, thank you. It's broken.
You know he backside double flipped a broken board of his?
Yeah.
Wait, is that it or?
That was it. No, that was it. That's all I got.
Carlos, you got his back? Wait for it.
First try.
Wait for it.
What is he doing? I'll take extra large.
I bet that Fetty would land it and then you'd do a kickflip to get his back.
I believe I can fly. How did he land that? How did that stick to his feet?
Glue. Yeah, the glue.
Straight up.
Yep, there's Gorilla Glue. Dude, I'm afraid you're just gonna shoot me in the eye, man.
Why?
I don't know, I just scare me.
I'm a rifle professional, dude.
Montana, I forgot. Great Scott.
Wang dang.
Oh.
So you know,
Cthulhu is coming.
Cthulhu's coming.
you're skating a board with Nerf dart grip tape. You go fast enough that you become the
Whistler Nerf darts. Put them on a skateboard, launch it with the bungee, and all you hear when the bungee launches it is whee! Ah! Yeah! Ah!
We move that ramp that's in the way.
The ramp's not in the way.
He's gaining his power. He's starting to believe.
I need it.
One finger to rule them all.
One ring to something. I don't know.
Watch it work, AK.
All right, Notification Squad, leave it in the comments below. How many tries will this take Carlos to kickflip this? If you hashtag Notification Squad, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, we'll choose a winner and send you a prize package.
Count it! Notification Squad.
He doesn't want to count it.
All right, I'll see you later.
Where are you going? One wing down?
One wine dang.
Did he just tray flip it?
Yeah.
I missed everything.
He straight flipped the first try.
Dang it. Well, I guess you owe me a Jamba Juice.
I don't really know what to say, but I'm very glad you landed that.
Yeah, me too.
That was sick.
Took forever to kick with it.
Way to shoot it over.
Take me out of my misery.
Braille acting classes coming
Brutal
soon.
man. Aaron, how'd it hold up?
The board did not hold up well. Gorilla Glue, gone. I mean, I just don't think there's any real way to make it hold up well because the Nerf darts themselves. The glue is still there. The dart hath rippeth.
He shot me. He shot me.
Take us out of this video, Carlos.
Check to our left for our playlist. Definitely check out our archives. And this guy, we're just happy to have him back. So,
Hi.
hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below on anything you want to see in the future main Braille channel because we enjoy entertaining you guys. Peace. Have a great day. 10 a.m. tomorrow. Check it out.
Got him.